What is restitutio in integrum? Imagine being caught in a situation where a legal mistake or unfair act has left you worse off, even though everything was technically legal. That's where the idea of restitutio in integrum comes into play. It is a principle from ancient Roman law that means restoring someone to their original state before an unfair legal act happened. Think of it as a way to undo damage caused by a legal mistake or injustice. In Roman governance and administration, a magistrate called the Praetor had the power to use this remedy. The Praetor was like a judge who could step in when strict law led to unfair results. If a person was forced into a contract by violence or threats, the Praetor could cancel that contract and put the person back where they started. This was true even if the contract was legally valid on paper. The idea was to prevent unfairness and protect people from being harmed by legal actions that went against good morals. Restitutio in integrum was also used if someone transferred property to avoid paying debts through fraud. The Praetor could cancel such transfers and restore the original ownership. It was a way to stop dishonest practices that hurt creditors or other innocent parties. This remedy was not about changing the law but about making sure justice was done when the law's strict application caused harm. This legal principle was a kind of fairness tool. It allowed the Roman legal system to balance strict rules with what was right in each case. If a person was tricked, forced, or cheated into a legal act, the Praetor could step in and fix the situation. Restitutio in integrum helped ensure that people were not unfairly punished or harmed by legal processes. It was an early form of equity, meaning it aimed to achieve fairness when the law alone might fall short. In simple terms, restitutio in integrum was a way for Roman judges to undo a legal act that was valid but unjust. It was about putting people back to where they were before the unfair act happened. This principle shows how Roman law valued fairness and protected vulnerable parties from harm caused by legal mistakes or misconduct. It reminds us that, even in ancient times, the law was not just about rules but about justice.